Hey everyone, this is Aina showing you on Trending Now, where we give you the latest tea in the world of pop culture, entertainment, music, you name it. And to start off with today, I have four news that is literally going to blow off your mind. Starting with Sydney Sweeney might just sign a Bollywood film, and it is approximately 530 crore rupees that she's going to get paid for it. There's a major Indian production house who is behind this whole film apparently, and the story is going to follow that Sydney, being a South American actress, is going to fall in love with an Indian celebrity, and this production is going to start early somewhere around 2026. Now, we are not very sure if she's going to sign up for the film or not, but because it's a lot of money, Sydney is actually considering it. And she's also been in the news for some controversies and also for her films like Euphoria and The White Lotus. So if you want her to feature in an Indian film, let us know in the comment section below. Next, we have D4VD. Oh my god, he's my favorite artist, but right now there's a lot of controversy surrounding him. Now, just a couple of weeks ago, I told you about how a dead body was discovered at the back of his car, and right now it has been identified that it is a 15-year-old girl's body that apparently D4VD, or David like we know, was dating, and there are pictures which are circulating about them. Her mom also confirmed that she was dating a boy named D4VD or David, and she has a tattoo which is very similar to what D4VD has. So a lot of controversies. Also the fact that he was apparently going to release a song which named O Celeste, which is her name, in somewhere around 2023, and he also has released his music album which is Romantic Homicide on the same birthday, that is 7 September, like her. A lot of coincidences, and I think it's going to go downhill right now for D4VD because he had to cancel his tour as well. So I don't know, my best wishes, but if he is a convict, I really don't want to associate with him. Next, we have Disney, which is making a comeback, and that is Jonas Brothers are going to reunite again for Camp Rock 3. Now we have Nick, Kevin and Joe Jonas, who will of course feature as Connect 3, but Demi Lovato will not be featuring in this film, but she is the executive producer. Now it's going to connect back to Connect 3, where the whole plot of this film is going to be about how they are having a reunion after their opening tour gets cancelled. So the Disney era is back, and super excited for the same. And lastly, I have to cover about Jimmy Kimmel. Now his late night talk show has just been cancelled indefinitely, and it's because of the Trump administration, because he made some comments about Charlie Kirk's death, and that was not taken well by anyone. Now it's not very sure when the show is going to come back, but a lot of free speeches and free thought people are against this complete move, because yeah, like in a country like America where you are supposed to be free to share your thoughts, you are getting cancelled for vocalizing it. I don't know what's going to happen next, but our best wishes to Jimmy Kimmel, hoping he makes a comeback. Also, Trump has made some comments about Jimmy Fallon and Seth Rogen, asking their shows to be cancelled as well. So we don't know where the Trump administration is heading, but if you want to be updated with the latest news, you will get it on Trending Now. And that's the tea for the day. If you like our content, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1.